In this problem, we're given that z1 is equal to 7 plus 6i, z2 is equal to 8 plus 5i, and z1 times z2 is equal to a plus bi. And the question is asking for what is a plus b. So since we know that a plus bi is z1 times z2, let's start by multiplying the two together to see if we can identify our a and our b. So multiplying z1, which is 7 plus 6i, with z2, which is 8 plus 5i. Because we're multiplying binomials, we need to FOIL this out, or multiply all the terms in the first parentheses by all the terms in the second parentheses. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 5i is 35i. 6i times 8 is 48i. And 6i times 5i is 30i squared. From here, we have a couple of like terms that we can add because 35i and 48i are like terms. So if we add 35 and 48, that makes 83. So we get 56 plus 83i. And I squared, keep in mind that I is equal to the square root of -1. So if we are squaring the square root of -1, the square cancels out that square root and leaves us just with -1. So we can replace I squared with -1 plus 30 times -1. Multiplying that out, we get 56 plus 83i minus 30. And now combining some more like terms, 56 minus 30 is 26. So that makes 26 plus 83i. So when our number is in the form of a plus bi, the a is the number by itself, so a is equal to 26, and the b is the coefficient of the I, so b is equal to 83. Since the question is asking for what is a plus b, we can take our a, 26, and add our b, 83, to get our final answer. 26 plus 83 is 109, which would be our final answer because that's the final problem that they're asking for. If they wanted to give the answer in an a plus bi format, we would have left it in the 26 plus 83i form. Okay, well, I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you. If it was, please leave me a like and share with anybody you think might find this type of information useful. Also, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments and any problems that you would like to see videos on in the future. Happy studies!